Here's a good example of a Nobby from, or Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted. Just the edge has been chipped off here. This looks like it's what they call a Chinaman's hat. Because of the shape. Some people think they're the lids off yabby, or a yabby type crustacea that lived millions of years ago, and they used to pull these down to keep predators out. Whether it is or not, I don't know, but it looks a bit like one. It's the bottom. What's under there? Don't know. Looks like it's got some colour. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.